What's up guys, and welcome to another video for today. On today's video I want to share something with you guys. Like, if you are interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, or you've never heard about cryptocurrency and this is the first time you're actually learning about cryptocurrency, and or maybe you've been scammed before and now you're taking this thing serious and you really want to learn, or maybe you've never heard about cryptocurrency, you've only heard about Bitcoin and stuff like that, but never had that understanding about what's cryptocurrency, and you want to further your education, or maybe you're just somebody who wants to start investing or want to start trading. I think this is the video that you want to watch up until the end, because I'll be explaining to you and showing you how you can get started with investing in cryptocurrency, and how you can start trading with cryptocurrency by just investing your time and money in Crypto University. By the way, this is not a paid video. It's not sponsored by Crypto University. It's not sponsored by Jabesi. It's just me sharing out some valuable information to every individual who actually wants to get started investing in cryptocurrency. Okay, but before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell, because it helps me a lot, yo. Like, it's just showing support. So let's just get started with today's video. This is Crypto University, and if you want to sign up, the link will be in the description. So on Crypto University, it's done by Jabesi. If you don't know who's Jabesi, you can just Google his name and stuff like that, so you'll get to understand exactly who's Jabesi and where he comes from and what he's been doing. Okay, so on this website, obviously there are courses that are for sale. There are different type of courses that are for sale. You have the trading mastery course, we have the Bitcoin basic course, and then we have the investing mastery course. So depending on what type of what type of an investor you are, you want to become a trader, or you want to become an investor, or you just want to learn the basic of Bitcoin and stuff like that, you can choose what you want to buy. Okay, so over here on the trading mastery course, it's becoming a pro trader and learn how to generate an income trading cryptocurrency. Okay, what are you going to learn once you have purchased the trading mastery course is, obviously, you want to learn how to trade for a living, read charts and candles, learn Binance, Luno, Paxful and Coinbase, trade altcoins and signal based trading, which will cost $70. And then over here we have the basic course. Obviously, this will give you a solid foundation on the subjects of cryptocurrency and blockchain. And the investing mastery course, become a pro investor and learn how to grow your wealth with crypto and earn a passive income. So as you can see guys, there are different prices on every one of them. And with these courses, obviously there's going to be a coupon code which I'm going to leave in the description. If you want to purchase it, there's a coupon code that you can use so you can receive a discount. And then he also has a cryptocurrency masterclass. Okay, learn how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, get our trading mastery and investing course, investing mastery, Bitcoin basic, all course, all in one. So you're receiving everything at a very low price for $120. That's a very big discount, guys. Okay, and then we also have the Ethereum smart contract development. This will be mostly for developers. So if you have any knowledge in development and stuff like that and programming, this is something for you. You want to check this out. Okay, but like I said, the link will be in the description and stuff like that. He also offers a one-on-one call, so you can get on a call with him, ask him any questions that you want, or ask any advice maybe that you want to get from him and stuff like that. But it's up to you what questions you have for him. There's also the nitrous bull that he has, that he uses for all his trades, and a one-on-one mentorship, which I feel like this is the very most important thing on this whole website. Like, this is the best thing that you can actually buy on this website, is the one-on-one mentorship. On this, he will mentor you, guide you, show you how he trades, show you his trades, and from there you can copy exactly what he does and how he does it with his trading, and basically show you the ins and outs of this whole cryptocurrency space. And now we get into the interesting part over here. with Cryptopedia is where you can actually get all the information for those people who have no understanding on what's cryptocurrency, or you've never heard about cryptocurrency and maybe you just landed on this video and you're like, yo, I want to learn about cryptocurrency. So you want to come onto Cryptopedia. You can go through all these topics like Bitcoin for dummies, crypto exchanges, and stuff like that. You want to read up on all these topics. This will answer every question that you've ever had about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and stuff like that. You want to just read through all this. It will answer every question that you have. I'm not going to go through each and every one because this video is just going to get longer than I expected it, because I do not want it to be long at all. Okay, so you're just going to read up through all this, so to get a better understanding and stuff like that about cryptocurrencies and how to avoid scams, because guys, there's a whole bunch of scams out there. You really want to try and avoid all these scams. It's really hectic out there. People think when you start investing in cryptocurrencies, they think it's a get rich scheme. They think maybe today you buy some Bitcoin, tomorrow you become a millionaire. It does not work like that. You need to put in the time and the effort and learn about this cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, because this whole space is quite large. Some people just know Bitcoin and stuff like that and it just ends there. Okay, and then over here we have tools. Obviously you can check out the wallets once you want to start buying cryptocurrency, or once you've bought a cryptocurrency, you need a wallet where you're going to store your cryptocurrency. An exchange, obviously, is where you're going to be trading your cryptocurrency. The community, Gray also offers his own community, like where people get together and stuff like that. They talk about certain topics and stuff like that. He has his own Telegram channel, he has his own Discord channel. So once you have bought his course, you can join those groups and stuff like that, so you can interact with other traders out there and get inspired from their stories and stuff like that. And then, like I said guys, link will be in the description. You can sign in, and then from there you can come here to my account. For those people who actually do not want to purchase the course at first, who want to get a firm understanding before actually buying the course, you can just come here to my account, log in onto your account, go to dashboard. He has a basic course which is for free. Okay, so you click here on basic course. On basic course, it will help you to get started. If you've never ever never read about what's Bitcoin, or never ever taken the time to actually read up on what's cryptocurrency, then this is for you. This is an introduction. You can call them an introduction. These are all videos, that you can just watch and actually learn from them. And with all these videos, it gives you an introduction on what you can expect from the course and stuff like that, and how the course is actually structured and stuff like that, the tools you're gonna need, like everything you need to know about Crypto University and what it offers. You want to go into your account, log in, and go to the basic course and actually watch all these videos, so that you actually get a proper understanding what you're getting yourself into. This is absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything for this. It's absolutely free. And once you're done watching all these videos, then you can actually go and purchase the course. It's up to you if you want to start investing, or you want to start or you want to become an investor, or you want to become a trader. It's up to you where you want to go. Okay, and yeah, that's about it guys. And also once you decided that you want to buy the course, whichever course you want to buy, there will be a coupon code. I will leave it in the description. I'm not too sure how long this coupon code will be valid for, but what I suggest is that as soon as you watch this video and you're ready to purchase this course, use the coupon code as soon as possible before it expires. Rather than paying $70, then you might be paying way less than that, like $56. So that's a huge 20% off. Okay, so you're just gonna come over here, enter the coupon code. Coupon code will be in the description that you can use, and from there it's either you can pay via bank, EFT, That's RSA only. That's only if you are in South Africa, you can use the bank, or if you're not in South Africa, you can just pay via Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, which is much more easier and much more faster and safe, secure, and stuff like that. So like I said, the link will be in the description. Please do use the link in the description, because the coupon code will go with the link that I'll be leaving for you, and you want to make sure that you use the coupon code so you will actually receive the discount. Okay, and if you are still like have more questions, I will also leave Great Jabesi's YouTube channel, which is Hardcore Crypto, but the link will also be in the description. You can watch some of his video on his YouTube channel, check it out, get a better understanding, and actually see what he's doing, how he's growing his portfolio, and you can learn a lot from this guy. You can really learn a lot from this guy. But anyways, enough of me blabbing. Please guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. And if you have any friends who are also interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, share this video to them. Let them know that there's a course that's available for y'all on this website, and there's a free basic course if you don't understand cryptocurrency, and then from there they can get on the free basic course, and then once they're ready, then they can start learning about trading and stuff like that, and investing at a very low price also. So from me guys, thank you very much for watching this video until this part, and I will see you on the next video.